What's up YouTube? This video is gonna be about King Tavii dissing Jayden. Hope on make sure you like, subscribe, and click that post notification to stay updated on TikTok latest news.
Bro, you took that as a joke? No, hold on, you took that as a joke. Una did take that as a joke. Bro, me not take that as no joke. Me not take that as no joke. Me never take that as no joke. So now come tell me say, but me know say the man a joke. Me fi bill with what? Bill with what? When I be a little pitney and watch him, dog. I be a boys I watch him, bro. I me see video with boy JC a bat them belt in a boy face. And boy open them mouth fi take come, belt come in a them mouth. A belt come them a pre for take in a them mouth, bro. And them sit down here so I watch Jayden, bro. And if you say me overboard now and thing, bro. Me bad mind Jayden for what? For a fuck man? No, bro. Oh yo. Hey. No, man, me there for dance, son. No, man, me there for dance. No, man, me there for dance. Yo. Get a box from who? Nobody boy can box me, no. Chew me about them out, you know. Nobody boy can box me. I want to say my bad mind him. For what?
Nobody. There's nobody. Nobody. There's nobody. But you don't, right? You don't.
When me a bad mind Jayden for honor?
Right, yeah. Right.
When me a bad mind him for?
Right.
Man sit up on the fucking internet at the time I say more for fuck man. When me a bad mind him for? Me a bad mind a man treat my fuck man? Alright, miss for do that? Bro, get on the shit together, dog.
Yeah.
Yo, get on the shit together, dog.
Baby, yeah. Yeah.
Onela, you thought that was a joke?
No, me not run them type of joke there. And any man will sit down and make another man tell them say them want F them. Me never grew up with them type of something they papa. So me don't know when it became normalized for another man if it tell another man.
Man say more fuck him.
Yeah, and then I sit down and I say that a joke. Me not run them type of joke there.
Bro, how can I joke that?
Me no want them type. Me better not see my man run them type of joke there. On the internet, you're crazy. A man I tell you say more for F you and then you laugh. Then you really want to get F in your bottom then? Me no. No, sir.
Oh, man.
I think that's funny.
That not funny a blood clot. It normalize to bumbo clot. It normalize. It normalize and everybody sit down there so watch him.
I agree.
This is the thing the realest way. I make an example all the time. So you know for
No, Tav, you're not for really do it. Not put yourself in a trouble and go fight him if you see him, Tav. You're not for do that, baby.
yeah, when I see him, Onela, I rate you. But nothing gonna stop me from I take up on board or something and I slap in a Jayden head. And then the whole on the system head brought him whole and face fuck up. And the ear say Tavii mash up him bumbuckler. Why? Because him tell Tavii say he want fuck him. And nothing wrong with me, I defend my bumbuckler, bro. Because
What was this, please?
how can I say that?
Guys, out of the 4+ people there over here, make on 3 rows, guys. Please, 3 rows is chat so we can catch your speed. Miss McCain, thank you, mamas. 1 more rose. Ice, thank you. 1 more rose.
How can I say that?
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Genius T, thank you. Yeah. On the triple, guys. Triple.
You speed, I triple near my team.
Me no run them serious though, joke, guys. But you know, but me not think, you know, for really, no pay them no mind. I don't know go buck up either because then they got the same facility and stuff like that.
Alright, see you triple, I make a use it.
Guys, triple chat, triple.
Anything one can
Guys,
support.
use the triple chat, use the triple. Any money gun, guys, use the triple chat, use the triple.
I don't move on a bumbo clap about joke, man. Me no normal man, I gonna run no joke with no man, so. I want to you. Me no nobody come to me and come tell me say a joke. That's not a joke. Jayden is not a comedian. A man with up on the internet I tell a man say more fuck him and then the little thing there, bro. That's not comedy. That's no joke. And then your blood clot, your so-called girl over there, so just sit down and cool with you. I tell her next man. Say, yo, imagine, Onela, you have your man, no? You're not a man. Imagine you have your man. Imagine you have your man and your man look on the next man and tell him that. Oh, you feel as a woman?
No, me no run them type of joke there.
And she sit down there and just taking everything, bro. She get fucking her body.
No.
Nobody can't tell me that. Say she not get fucking her fear body. Nobody not can tell me that. Because you're just cool with it. My girl just cool with it and no normal woman not go cool with that. So me know want nobody a come talk to me about nothing, bro. I show me the life, bro.
Guys, push up the score chat.
I show me the life. No real woman nah go, no girl, no real girl nah go sit down there. I have them man a chat so. And say a joke.
Guys, push up the score. There's somebody snipe. It's alright, Tav. Now make it disturb you.